Zagreb, a vibrant tourist city in Southeast Europe. The color of Zagreb's favorite football club is blue, but Zagreb's heart is green. Forests cover 1/3 of the city. Add parks and other green spaces into the mix, and it is no wonder Zagreb is among the top 10 greenest cities in Europe. Zagreb's residents love their green spaces. The most iconic is Maksimir, the first public park in Southeast Europe, dating back to the 18th century. In Zagreb, greenery is always close, from the historical Green Horseshoe in the bustling city center to the humming forests on the mountain Medvednica on its outskirts. Fancy sports? Enjoy great music? Or want to be seen? Yarun, with tons of recreational and party opportunities, is your place. Do not think, feel. Join us in Zagreb next year and explore its green heart.